Getting a good TV signal in your caravan can feel like you've stepped back in time. It's frustrating. Satellite dishes changed all that. Just set up one of these outside your van, point it at a compatible satellite, and hey presto, you can watch your favourite TV programmes in your caravan from northern Scotland to Spain, if your dish is big enough. Easy enough, right? Seriously, it really is easy to get satellite TV if you've got the right gear and a bit of knowledge. We teamed up with Dan and Jack from Maxview, Tyrone from Auto Editions, and young tourer Dan Arnold, owner of an Eldest Crusader, to learn about installing a satellite TV system. Tyrone is a professional installer with Auto Editions. He set about installing a Maxview Target satellite dish on Dan's caravan. Next, Tyrone uncovers the tracks containing cables in readiness for new cables for the Maxview system. Then, he prepares the caravan's roof surface to remove any dirt or grease. Tyrone then measures up where he's going to place the external system so it fits safely on the roof. He marks out the position of the dish unit. To hold the Maxview dish unit in place, Tyrone fixes the base plate with glue and screws. It keeps it firmly positioned and provides a robust seal to keep out dirt. Next, Tyrone uses self-tapping screws to attach the base plate to the roof, belt and braces. And then he attaches the dish unit to the base plate. Tyrone moves on to planning the cable routing on the roof. He lays out the rough route from the dish to where it will go through the roof to the control box inside. It starts to get serious now. Tyrone drills a small pilot hole through the roof, and then he widens it so the cables will fit through easily and not chafe. He feeds the cables into the caravan to the locker where he'll fit the control box. With the cable route sorted through the roof, it's time to fix them in place using trunking, which he bonds to the roof panel. Plastic trunking protects the cables, looks neater and prevents them from rattling on the roof. Tyrone then bonds the cable entry cover to the roof, presses the covers into place and then glues the trunking to the roof. Before working on the interior installation, Tyrone puts the park plate in place for the LNB arm to rest on when the dish is down. The next stage is connecting up the control box. To keep it looking neat and original, Tyrone must fit all the connecting cables into the existing internal trunking routes. He then attaches them to the existing TV connections. Tyrone attaches the 85cm dish to the roof unit, and then switches it on at the control box to make sure it is working as it should. The Maxview Target system automatically finds the right elevation angle and direction for the Astra 2 satellite, which delivers the TV programs. Tyrone also tests the system to make sure the dish closes down when it's not being used. When collapsed, the dish unit is just 17cm high. Now that the dish and control box are in place, it's time to connect the TV to the system. We've got an Avtex 21-inch 9 Series Pro TV with 12V power to connect. Tyrone connects the TV to the system and turns it on. Dan switches on the control box. The system quickly swivels to pick up the satellite signal and the picture appears on the TV. You can even use the Maxview app to switch on your satellite dish. It's simple to use and you can see it's quick for the system to locate the satellite and get a signal. If you tour a lot in your caravan and want TV, there's no need to go without. This Maxview Target system will give you a TV picture at the touch of a button, whether you're in the UK or further afield. Although you could fit a roof-mounted satellite TV system yourself, we recommend you have it fitted by a professional like Tyrone from Auto Editions. Visit their website for more information here. Find out more about the Maxview products on their website here. Learn about the Avtex product range here. And don't forget to like, comment and share this video and subscribe to our channel.